Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel AZ Education Adda. In this lecture, we will discuss one important problem of mathematics. Before starting the discussion, I would like to tell you if you want to get more questions, you can visit our website education-adda.com. Link of this website is also available in the description box of the video. So how you can get the question? See, you have to visit the website education-adda.com, then go to menu option and select academic adda. In academic adda, you have to select math important questions. One more thing, all these important questions are available in the form of video lectures on our YouTube channel, and you can get these questions in the playlist titled as Math Important Questions. Okay, friends. Coming back to the given question, what is given here? A company is considering two insurance plans with coverage and premium as shown in this table. Okay. For example, if you see this premium $50. Okay. So if you pay this premium, you will get fire or theft insurance as $10,000 and liability insurance of $180,000. Okay, so we have to answer the questions. The company needs at least $450,000 fire and theft insurance and at least $5,400,000 liability from this plant. So we have to find how many units should be purchased from each plan to minimize the cost of premium and what is the minimum premium. So value of minimum premium we have to find. So one by one we will discuss. See, this is the given table. So policy A, policy B, and this is fire insurance. This amount are showing. Okay, liability insurance. This one and this one for plan A, and this one for plan B. And premium to be paid for policy A is $50, and for policy B it is $40. So minimum amount of fire and theft insurance needed, it is given as $450,000, and minimum amount of liability needed from these plants is $5,400,000. Okay, so we have to find the number of units of each plant to minimize the premium cost. So let the minimum number of units purchased be X units of policy A and Y units of policy B. Okay. Now total amount of insurance required for fire or theft is $450,000. So when we sum the insurance from policy A and from policy B, it should be more than $450,000. Okay, so it will be equal to, see, from policy A each unit insurance you will get as $10,000. So 10,000 into X plus 15,000 into Y. This is getting insurance from one unit of policy B. So into Y, it should be greater than $450,000. So dividing by 1,000 both sides, we will get 10x plus 15y. It should be greater than 450. And again dividing by 5, we will get 2x plus 3y, which will be greater than equal to 90. Okay. One more thing, liability from policy A plus liability of policy B should be greater than equal to $5,400,000. So $180,000, this is the liability you are getting from one unit of policy A, and 120,000 is the liability that you are getting from policy B, one unit. Okay, so when we multiply this, so 180,000 X plus $120,000 into Y, it should be greater than $5,400,000. So dividing it by 10,000, we will get 18x plus 12y should be greater than equal to 540, and again dividing by 6, we will get 3x plus 2y should be greater than equal to 90. Now we have two inequalities, inequalities 1 and inequality 2, and we can plot this graphically. So first what we have to do, we have to plot these equations. Okay, not inequality, then we can see which side represent the inequality. Okay, so we have two equations. See, this line is showing 2x plus 3y equal to 90, and this side, okay, this side it is greater than 90, and this side it will be less than 90. Similarly, this line is showing 3x plus 2y equal to 90. So on the right side of this line it is greater than equal to 90, and on the left side of this line it is less than 90. Okay, and we can see both these lines are intersecting at 18, 18. That is a minimum value of x and y should be 18. Okay, so from graph we can clearly see that values of x and y satisfying both these inequalities 1 and 2 is x should be greater than equal to 18 and y must be greater than equal to 18. Therefore, minimum value of x should be 18 and minimum value of y should be 18, and these two values will satisfy both inequalities. Okay. Hence, to minimize the cost of premium, the company should purchase 18 units of policy A and 18 units of policy B. Therefore, minimum premium to be paid. See, for policy A, per unit of premium is $50. Okay, per unit premium is $50, and total number of units purchased is X, that is 18. And for policy B, premium per unit is $40. So we have to multiply by 18, and we will get $1,620. This is the required premium. Okay, friends. So in this lecture we have discussed one important problem of mathematics. Okay, thank you.